All right, today we got a Nintendo Switch game. This is Master Detective Archives Rain Code. This is published by Spike Chunsoft, and a lot of the people that worked on this also worked on the Danganronpa series. So I'm a huge fan of a lot of those games. Spike Chunsoft usually publishes really interesting, unique games. So I'm excited to jump into this. And this is the Mysteriful limited edition. Mysteriful? Not 100% sure how that's supposed to be pronounced. But let's look at what goodies we get. Fortunately, this is only on the Switch platform as of now. Hopefully it will come to other platforms in the future. Inner box. And our first goodie is the plushie. This is Shinigami. So pretty good quality. It's got the crown on the top. That's kind of nice. Got the Spike Chunsoft tag on it. The first piece. And as normal in these. Oops. Get a art book. Kind of goes over the characters, the design. A lot of crazy looking characters. Here's some of the sets. Beautiful artwork. All right, don't want to spoil too much by going through that. We got a soundtrack. We got the steelbook. And then we have the game. Includes a digital novel code. But that is all that's in the box. So this is probably a visual novel with some adventure elements and decision making. I'm not really. All I saw was that it was a Spike Chunsoft and the Danganronpa people were behind it, so it's pretty easy buy for me. Let me open up the steelbook. That's all there is to it. Nice short video today. Just wanted to open the box and show it off. All right, till next time.